Good evening, good afternoon, good morning to the community of Tibetians around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, an economic developer in the community. I just want to do this short broadcast to charge and to account for as many who are out there, whether you are an old member or a new member, or you are just thinking of coming into the community. Guess what? Tomorrow is too late. Yesterday is over, and now is exactly the right moment to start. So, start now. Start now. Start now. We have just limited opportunity, especially for the 500 TBC promo to be over. Pay your annual fee and grab the 500 TBC. Guess what? Stop dilly-dallying. Stop procrastinating. For as many who are in the community, either you have just few kringles in your wallets or you have just a coin. It is time to acquire more coins. The admin is so generous to give us enough opportunity to acquire more coins. We have different meetings to attend to submit the keywords and get and acquire coins. So come on board. Come on board. Pay your program fee, then get access to submit enough keywords. Come on board. Pay your admin fee, then you get enough coins. Guys, stop doubting. We have proven it over the past 5 years. Here are we still standing. TBC waxing stronger and stronger and stronger day by day. Eradicating poverty and putting smiles in the face of a lot of bunches are going out on regular and on daily basis. So I urge you, don't waste time any longer. For as many who are still thinking, how can I start? Go ahead and start. This is the right moment. And don't forget, if you want to be part of the rotator, oh, what a wonderful, juicy program. If you want to be part of the rotator, don't wait any further. This is the right time for you to start. This is the right time for you to start. So, guess what? Come on board. Like this video, share it to as many, and subscribe to it for more awakening in the Billion Coin community. Thank you. I love you all. God bless you.